Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Cricut mug press. It's really simple to use, and the reason I'm making this video is because I recently purchased this, and mine did not come with very good instructions. It did not tell me about the lights on there or what they meant or how many needed to light up. I had to search the internet far and wide to figure out how to properly use this machine. It's very easy to use, but had it had good instructions, it would have helped me a lot. I'm making this video and I'm going to show you how simple it is to use it, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so let's go over what we will need to sublimate a mug. You'll need a mug press. I have the Cricut mug press. Now, let me explain something about this that I did not understand until I purchased it. When you buy a Cricut mug press, it comes with a USB cable. You cannot use your mug press unless you activate it through the Cricut website. So what I had to do is I had to plug this mug press into my computer, my home computer, and I had to log in to Cricut's website to actually activate the mug press. Otherwise, I could not use it. So I just want to let you know that I find that to be pretty strange that I have to do that just to sublimate a mug. I've never seen another mug press make me do that. So I just wanted to warn you if that's something that you don't want to do. Okay, so let's carry on. We have our mug press. We have our sublimation mugs. These are special mugs that are coated with poly. So it allows the sublimation ink in our design to adhere to the mug. You cannot use any kind of pretty glass mugs that you find. They have to be mugs that are just for sublimation. Then you will have to have a design that you print out on sublimation paper with sublimation ink, okay? You'll need a rotary cutter or scissors to cut your design out, and then you will need heat tape and you'll need your heat gloves, okay? So let's get started. Before we can sublimate on our mugs, we want to clean them. We want to make sure there's no oil or anything on these mugs that's going to interfere with our design looking its best. So we're going to take some rubbing alcohol and a paper towel, and we are going to wipe these clean, okay? So the next thing we will do is trim our design down that we printed on our sublimation paper. So I am using a ruler and a rotary cutter, and I'm just going to trim all the way around the edges. Okay, so now that we have our design trimmed and ready to go on our mug, we are now going to make sure that first of all, it is facing the right direction. So the top of the design is at the top of the mug. Make sure you check that so you don't sublimate it upside down. Now we're going to center that design on our mug. One thing about this mug press is you cannot sublimate really close to the handle. That's disappointing for me. So do you see how far I am from the handle on each side? Make sure that your design doesn't go any closer because the mug press will not press it and your design will not come out really good on your mug. Okay, so making sure that we use our heat tape, we're going to center our design on our mug and then tape it down to our mug, okay? I tape it along the top, the bottom, and then down each side of the handles. Okay, so now the fun starts. Okay, we're going to now sublimate our mug. So we have our Cricut mug press. We're going to turn it on, plug it in, and turn the power button on, which is right there on the top. We'll need something to wrap our mug in. You can use butcher paper copy paper. I use Teflon sheets, so I just bought a very inexpensive Teflon sheet, and then I cut it to fit my mug. I just take that Teflon sheet and I wrap it around my mug, and then I put it into the Cricut mug press. You're going to need heat gloves and then some kind of picker tool to take your design off after it's sublimated. Okay, so now the green light is on our Cricut mug press, so we are ready to load our mug. So we're going to take our Teflon sheet and wrap it around our mug. Then we will place the mug inside the Cricut mug press. Now we want to make sure that we center our handle. So test it out, close the mug press, push the lever down, and make sure that your design is covered by the mug press, okay? Okay, so we are now looking down on top of the mug press. Now, do you see those little dots at the top? 2 of them are lit up. There's 5 dots, okay? So what you're going to do is once you have your mug placed in the mug press and you press that lever down flat, and now it's in there tight, we're going to let it cook until all 5 of those dots are lit up, and then a little buzzard will go on the machine. When that happens, then you can lift that lever and take your mug out, and now it is finished, okay? But make sure you are wearing your gloves because this mug is very, very hot, okay? Now we'll let it cool for a minute before we take the paper off so that you don't have ghosting on your image, okay? All right, guys, so we're done, and I love my mug. It's so cute. That's a 15-ounce Cricut mug that I used to make today. Now, I do want to tell you that cut your design a 1/2 inch away from the handle on each side, because that mug press does not get any closer than a 1/2 inch on each side of your handle, okay? So remember that when you're measuring your mugs to make your design. Go a 1/2 inch out from the handle, go around the mug, and then stop a 1/2 inch before you get to the handle. Take that measurement, and that is the size you will need to fit a 15-ounce mug, an 11-ounce mug, or a 10-ounce mug, whatever size you're using if you use the Cricut mug press, okay? Well, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope that I helped you today. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.